Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to record yourself with Audacity. So Audacity is a recording app which who produce audio and who work with audio and video. Maybe you are familiar with this software, so let's just skip that part. So as soon as you download it and install this Audacity, what you need to do is, you can see here the options available like audio host, or Windows Direct Sound, Windows WAS API. So here I'm going to select MME. Okay, and here you can see that beside that is microphone option, right? So there are lots of tools available, like you can see files, edit, transport, generate effects. So we'll talk about all these options later, but right now just I'm telling about the basics things. Now here you can see the microphone, right? So if you have like any other microphone, multiple microphone in your desktop, like input device, so you can just simply select from all these options available. So I'm going to select the microphone which is Audio 2.0, and this is the microphone from using this microphone I'm just giving the voiceover right now, right? So you need to select this one, and here you can see you need to select this to stereo, right? Alright, so this should be to stereo. And here you can see the speaker as well, which is you can just select in your own right? So I'm just going to select this as a speaker. Alright, so these things need to be set well done, because you need to make sure that your audio is going to, audio input, it should work perfectly. Now here you can see that microphone level, you can adjust the recording volume, right? You can just reduce the recording volume if you want, but you also can just increase it. And you can see the playback volume, it's up to you, according to your needs you can select. And you can see here the playback label, left channel and right channel as well. So this should be okay, right? And here are the other tool, you can simply use them later, but I'm just going to show you the basic thing of recording, right? So these are the things you need to know, and you can just simply pause the track with this, and you can play the track, you can stop, okay, you can skip to start, right? So these are the things. Now you need to click on this record, right, to start the recording. So I'm going to, what I'm talking right now in this video, everything will be recorded. So here you can see I've just started recording, and these you can see the graph, okay, it's recording my voice right now, including everything, right? So you can see the recording is done. Let's suppose our recording is done, and when it's done, you can simply click on stop. But if you want to pause the recording, you can just simply click on the pause, right? Now here you can see your recording is paused, right? So if you again click on play, the recording, okay, if you click on pause again, the recording will start again, right? Now you need to, if you want to stop this recording, you can simply click on stop. And if you want to listen this voice again, you can simply be recorded. So be recorded. Alright, so I'm going to stop talking right now, and I'm going to hear the voice of that of my internal sound, right? Be recorded. So here you can see I've just started recording, and these you can see the graph, okay, it's recording my voice right now. Okay, so I hope you get it now. Let's suppose if you want to cut any okay, from any part of that voice, you can simply select all and simply tap on click on delete button, right? And if you want to undo it, just Ctrl Z to undo that process. Okay, so there will be a particular topic, there will be a particular video on this topic, but right now these are the basic thing you need to know in order to record on Audacity. So when your recording is done, you can simply go to file, export, and export as mp3, okay, and you need to give this file a name, anything, and simply you need to click on save and OK. Right, now you can see your audio is exported successfully. And here if I try to play this audio, be recorded. So here you can see I've just started recording. Okay, so in this way you can simply record your voice on Audacity.